Good afternoon. My name is Nelly Quetonar. Conversation. Me, Mom. There is something wrong with the Friday. I am worried about the food getting spoiled. Mom, oh no. Let me take a look. Did you check the temperature settings? Me, yeah, but it's not getting any colder. What should I do? Mom, okay. Did you turn it off and then back on? Me, yeah, I tried to, but it's still not working. Mom, my brain's something good and flight. Did you make sure it's hooked up properly? Me, I don't think anything is unflagged. But I can check what it is power issue. Mom, good idea. Look behind the fry and make sure it's plugged in securely. Also, check if there any damage to the core. Me, it seems fine, but the fries still won't power out. Mom, this is strange. We need to call a teacher. Me, yes, that's a good idea. Would you know maybe? Is Timmy consider getting a new fry? Mom, you may be right. Let's see if there are any good there's on new refrigerator. Thank you.